Hello, and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Today is officially the day that I can start my Christmas decorating series for 2024. I have received my Christmas tree from King of Christmas. I have been waiting for her, and I'm super excited that she's here. I am collaborating with King of Christmas this year, and they sent me the link to select one of their beautifully crafted Christmas trees. They are handcrafted, they are highly realistic. And as I was scrolling their website to see the many trees that they have, it did not take long for me to fall in love with one. I selected the 7-foot King Noble Fir Tree, and she is a beauty. I could not wait to touch the branches and see how they felt. It's very, very sturdy, and I knew that it was going to be very, very easy to set her up and to decorate her. When I was selecting the tree, I decided that I definitely did not want to go with a flock tree because I could see the beauty of the tree even from the website, and I knew I wanted something that I could see the tree and enjoy the tree. I love flock trees because I love the look of snow and the coziness of it all, but I also like the green trees because I like to see the tree and enjoy that. Let me know in the comments below, are you team flocked or team unflocked? Getting her out of the box and set up was very, very easy. It was not complicated at all, and I love that. When ordering from King of Christmas, it comes complete with a stand, not the one that I'm showing here, but it does come with a stand that is in the box. It also comes with some gloves for fluffing the tree out, especially if you have a flock tree. You know you want to have some gloves to kind of keep that flocking from getting on your hands and arms and all of those things. So it comes with all of those things in the box. Very, very easy hinged branches. As you can see, they just kind of fall right into place, and you don't have to do a lot of fluffing at all with these trees. The tree is also really lightweight, so I could manage it on my own with no problems at all. Wasn't super heavy. It does have 500 warm lights on it, which are beautiful. When I light the tree up, you will see that. Here is the Christmas tree bag that comes with it. It comes complete with that. It also comes with some gloves and, of course, the instruction booklet. When I ordered this tree, I ordered it for my primary suite. I was ready for a new tree in this space, but it did not take me long as I started the unboxing process to realize this tree was too gorgeous to be in the primary suite. I wanted her in the living room where she could be front and center for the holiday season. So you will see me move her out of this space in just a few moments, but I'm going through looking at the instruction booklets and all of the things that came with her, care instructions and whatnot. So they have you covered with all of the information that you need. Here is the stand that comes with her, super easy to set up as well. Everything that you have. It also has the remote control. This is a smart tree. With the remote, you can select the frequency of the lights twinkling, or you can have them steady if you prefer. You can set up a timer, and I love that. So every day at the same time, my tree comes to life, and I love it. Putting up a tree for me is never a one-day process. I typically will set up my tree the first day and kind of let it settle for a while. Then I'll come back in and kind of do the fluffing and everything before I start the ornament. Sometimes it may take 3 or 4 days before I even start to do anything because it takes a while typically to fluff a tree. But like I said, this tree was the easiest setup that I've had for a Christmas tree. It really was because, you know, of the way that the tree is constructed. But I am really enjoying her. Now, King of Christmas sends you in the box. They send you some gloves to use to fluff your tree and everything. And this is really important if you have a more dense tree or you have a flock tree. So I really did not have to use them, but because they were there, I said, why not? So I went ahead and I put them on so that I can get down in there next to the trunk and kind of make sure that if there was anything that did need to be kind of fluffed out, that I did not miss anything. Now, because I'm using this tree in a room that I wasn't expecting to, I have to rethink what I had planned for my decorating. Be sure to watch to the end of the video because I will be sharing with you what my plans are for decorating this tree. I am a minimalist at heart, But typically at Christmas, that's when all bets are off. I go all out with my Christmas tree. So I'm really excited to have a tree that's just kind of created more with a minimalist style so that I can do that type of decorating on this, which is going to be different for me. But I'm looking forward to it. I think it's going to be so, so
It's
pretty.
very nostalgic for me, and it kind of reminds me of the Christmas trees that we had growing up. We didn't have these real full trees like they have out today, and this takes me
Now I'm
back.
giving a close up so that you can see how this tree is constructed. The outer branches are made of fire resistant PVC, so it's really, really strong and easy to put on your heavier ornaments, which makes this really pretty because on a tree like this, you want your ornaments to be dangling on the ends of it. And then closer to the tree trunk, you can see more of your moldable greenery here to kind of fill it in, like if you don't want to see areas of the trunk or just kind of fill the tree in general. So I pretty much have fluffed it to my liking. And now I'm going to go ahead and take these tags off because I am pretty much satisfied with where I have her to this point. I will look at her for a little while longer before I actually start to add my ornaments, but we're off to a great start.
All right, so now it's time to talk about what theme I'm going with for 2024. My theme for this year is going to be royalty. I am royalty. You are royalty. And so this is the first of four of my trees. My trees are going to have four totally different decor styles on them, totally separate personalities, but it's all going to be around my theme, which is royalty. There's going to be one thing on each tree that's going to tie them all together. There's going to be one tree in my living room, one in my primary bedroom, one in my loft area, and then one in my newly created Zen room, retreat room. I still haven't decided what that room is going to be called. But anyway, those are going to be my four trees for this year. And I am very, very excited about the trees and I'm excited about my theme. I would like to thank King of Christmas for sponsoring today's video. I will have links in the description box below where you can go to their website, check out all of their trees, check out the lovely discount that you will receive if you decide to purchase one of these trees. These are really, really nice trees to have in your collection. So with that being said, so we already know what our theme is, and our theme is going to be royalty. And so now we want to talk about colors. So I've already said that this year, what I brought into my home for the fall, the colors, we're going to just carry those straight in through Christmas. So for my living room, I'm doing the shades of browns, the caramels, the mochas, all of those shades of brown. And so we're going to tie those colors in with my theme of royalty. So that's going to be interesting in and of itself. So you don't want to miss that. So if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post notification bell. That way you can be notified each time I upload additional videos. To all my returning family members, thank you so, so much for your support. And I hope you're ready for this Christmas decorating series. I am super excited and I hope to see you all over here on my next one. Bye-bye.